want to become a nurse.
When I grow up, I want to be an EMT.
When I grow up, I want to be a welder.
When I grow up, I want to be a robotic engineer.
Elementary school career awareness. It doesn't just start in high school.
Today, we have brought our counselors together for professional development to review our elementary school career awareness initiative. I want to give a huge shout out to USAA for making this initiative possible. It is an amazing opportunity for our elementary school students to be able to bring these different careers into their classrooms and into their schools and get to explore it more, and this wouldn't have been possible without your donation. So today, counselors are going in depth into these 5E lesson plans. They're learning about engaging their students and becoming aware of all 25 careers, and then they're going to explore with hands-on activities.
We're taking a tour of the Career Institute North. It's an incredible opportunity for us to see what's available for our students.
I really love our health science pathway. Working in the paramedics is pretty cool. I think that's going to be a really fun activity for the students. My hope is to always be an advocate in all areas to help them pursue their dreams.
They're going to get instructional materials that they can take back to their elementary school and interact with the students on learning more about careers. My hope for students at Dallas ISD is very simple. They have choices when they graduate.
Please support the Dallas Education Foundation.
And together we will accelerate student success.